with Doordash. It's the first order they sent me right here. So we're gonna go ahead and decline that. So we got an additional $3.50 for 3.4 miles. That's crazy right there. That's absolutely crazy. So the first order's already going 3 miles away. And then we got an addition, that's 6.5 miles total for only an additional $3. This is why DoorDash drivers ain't making no money. Because even if you get the first order that's good, they send you something like this, it negatively impacts your ratings. So now you got to make a decision. Are you want to negatively impact your ratings, or you going to go ahead and take this one on the chin and get it done? The choice is yours, but beware, because if you do this, then you're more likely to do it again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Grab this baby water real quick. 26. Can you make $100 on a Friday night with DoorDash? It's the first order they sent me right here. So we're gonna go ahead and decline that. Going down to 33%, and I'm cool with it. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy FDA, the DoorDash app on. I made a 33%. You just seen it right there. Let's see what good order comes in first that we can actually accept. Now, if you didn't know, DoorDash is pretty much trash in 2024. And on top of that, the summer slowdown is on its way. So get ready to watch me make no money, decline a whole bunch of offers, and maybe, just maybe, cuss out a customer. So let's see what come in next. It's Friday night. They say it's busy out here. Estimated time, 1 to 4 minutes. We'll see about that. Sitting here looking at this Verizon building, looking at Red Robin, hoping for a short distance delivery. This what we got. Take a look at it. Just take a look at it. Not one, but 2 customers. And I know some folks would say, well, hey, it's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. My car gets 40 miles to the gallon. You can get that done in 15 minutes. I know what y'all gonna say. Y'all smoking drugs. Declining the hell out of this order. Hold on. Taking me down to 32%. I'm cool with it. Got me messed up. Well, I guess this is gonna be all we getting right here. $4.50 for 1 mile. My dash ends in exactly 15 minutes. And they say I'm gonna get this delivered in 15 minutes. This ain't even a good order. It's only $4. But I mean, it's better than going 10 miles away. It's the best we can do right now. So Jersey Mike's right across the street down that way. We're going to head over and grab this. And you know, this is pretty much what you got to deal with if you under 50%. You know, it's going to be very hard for you to make some money. Very, very hard. First order, $2.75 for 2.8 miles. You know, second order was that 10-mile delivery. That was a stack for 10 bucks. Like, these are orders you can't make money on. And honestly, look, this $4.50 for 1 mile, the order I got right now, if I got that 4 times in an hour, that still wouldn't be enough. Because you still would only be getting, like, what's that? That ain't even 20 bucks. That's 18 bucks. 18 bucks for going to 4 different places, dealing with 4 different customers, and getting 4 chances to get your customer rating going down. Man, no. Or get a contract violation. No. I'm trying to make 18 bucks on 1 order, not 4 of them. But, you know, ain't no point in... Look, let's head over to Jersey Mike's, grab this 1 order, and get it dropped off. This ain't a bad customer, but it just proves the point that DoorDash's model is going to crash at some point, because this ain't going to be able to hold up forever. All right, we made it to Jersey Mike's. Let's see if they got Taylor's order ready. Hopefully they do. Everybody else walking out with orders. They got that good old pickup window. And it is nice. Is that for Taylor?
Taylor?
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's Hey, do y'all be sending out DoorDash catering orders?
DoorDash catering orders?
Yeah. From here.
I believe we can, yeah.
Cool. All right, that's for Taylor. Good deal.
Yeah, we have, if they have the option to use DoorDash, but there's also a thing called Easy Catering, which we don't.
We hate them.
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks. They just don't, like DoorDash, you get all the tip. Easy Cater, you don't.
Oh, gotcha.
So that's why.
I'll start recommending that more.
All right. So let's go ahead and get this dropped off, make our $4, and then our dash will be ended. Shout out to the people in Jimmy John's though. They was nice. All right, we made it to our delivery location. And yeah, our time limit is definitely up. It's 7:30 right now. But you know what? It's all good. I knew it was a long chance of me making the whole $100 without having a DoorDash schedule. But I just wanted to show you this obstacles you're gonna face trying to raise your acceptance rate. Let's get this dropped off real quick. 302. Front door. Picture. Boom. Oh, it wants you to retake it. You can't even take an up close picture no more. You gotta be far back. No worries, we got it. Delivery is complete. $2.50 tip. All right, so quick little DoorDash order, nothing major. But you know what? We will hop out tomorrow and try to make that $100. Will we raise our acceptance rate and our completion rate? Who knows? But the one thing I do know is I'm about to be giving DoorDash less of my time. And check this out. I was just getting ready to end. Look, I knew it was about to be over. I got 1 minute and they just had to go ahead and sneak this one in real quick. Well, you know what? I guess we're going down to 31%. Right at the end of the video. It is what it is. Not what I wanted, but hey, it's what we got. That's crazy.